Okay, as you know, this is the meditation session. We do eye yoga morning, and at 6 we practice meditation. Yoga should be done with positive attitude. To be positive, we must remember something happened in our life good and forget something happened not good in our life. Thanks to them, you know or you don't know who did something good for you, and forget and forgive those who did wrong with you in your life. First of all, you have to salute the Almighty, the universal consciousness. Try to connect your individual consciousness to the universal consciousness. Actually, there is nothing individual or universal. Everyone is universal. But our body, from our body and mind, the consciousness is covered in our body. So we can feel this is my universal, my consciousness. And there is universal consciousness. We are also part of the universe. So universal consciousness, we are present in the universal consciousness. Without consciousness, material cannot work. The trees, sun, earth, water, in our body, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, only can work if there is consciousness. Actually, we are a conscious body. And second is the material. So we are not the material. We can enjoy the material. We are always happy. We are always in equilibrium. But it is covered by mind and body. So we think we are the body, and we are too much involved with material. But happiness is important. Happiness is the life. People say pain and pleasure is the part of life. Pain and pleasure is the life. It is not correct. Pain and pleasure is the part of the life. It is true. But life is the happiness. This happiness you can realize only if you do meditation. Meditation will help us to separate ourselves from the body. When you will be able to separate, you will be happy because it always happy. Satchit Anand. It is pure, it is blissful, it is always constant. The object of the meditation is to realize the self, to realize the consciousness. Understood or not? Yes?
Yes.
This is theory. But practically, when you do it, then you realize. There are many techniques for the meditation. Today, we will practice the basic. The basic is you try to maintain your body unstable at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Very difficult. You try to be stable, but you start itching like this, you move your finger like this. Then meditation will be broken. So very, very important, you have to stay unmovable. Don't move. Okay, number one. Number two, I told you, you have to start with positive attitude. For that, we do like this. Salutation, like this. Inhale. Through the universal consciousness, the nature, thankful to them. Exhale. Salute your parents, your elders, your past. Then we chant Om. Om sound is very important. You can chant 3 to 9 times, 11 times. Just you listen. I am singing the Om. Just you listen and feel the vibration. And whenever you chant, you feel vibration in your body. Together. सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. Everyone. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Okay, normally after this practice we will be positive. How you can understand you are positive? If your mind is not moving outside, you concentrate on your breathing, and if you can concentrate 10 to 20, 30 seconds, it means you are positive. Okay? If it's still difficult, here you are positive, you are here, but at home you feel difficult, sometimes some worry, some problem, some difficulty, and you want to do meditation, but your mind is moving around the problem, then you cannot do meditation. So for that, to disconnect from your worry, your stress, your anxiousness, your problems, your business problem, office problem, home problem, family problem, if you are thinking always the problem, you cannot meditate. So you sing a kirtan. The kirtan is Satya Narayan. Satya means truth. Nar means human being. Ayan means path. Path for the human being to go to the happiness, to go to the bliss, is Satya, truth. So truth means not only speaking truth. Speaking, yes, speaking measures, meaningful and sweet. It's okay. And truth. But eating, drinking, sleeping, working, behavior, you work in office, not under control of your boss. Your self-control. Your business, self-control. Not controlled by vigilance, not controlled by self-controlled. It is truth life. If you are doing with control someone, it is truth, but not very truth. Truth without controlling, self-controlled. Understood? This is so we say Satya Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. You can clap. Satya Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Satya Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Satya Narayan, Satya Narayan, Satya Narayan, Satya Narayan, Satya Narayan, Narayan. Sing.
Satyanarayan, 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 Narayan, Narayan.
Whenever you sing, also remember the meaning. Okay? So we do Satyanarayan, Narayan, Narayan, Satyanarayan, Narayan, Narayan, Satyanarayan, 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 Narayan, Narayan, Satyanarayan, Narayan, Narayan, Satyanarayan, 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 Narayan, Narayan, Satyanarayan, Narayan, Narayan, Satyanarayan, 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 Narayan, Narayan, Satyanarayan, Narayan, Narayan, Satyanarayan, 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 Narayan, Narayan, Satyanarayan, Narayan, Narayan. It's good?
Yeah.
Sometimes you want to do but laziness. Today no. Oh, Dr. Krishna, excuse me. I will do tomorrow. So that is not good. When you start this, your laziness finish. Okay? And you can disconnect yourself from your problem, your difficulty. You think or sing. Those together not possible. If you sing, no thinking. If you're thinking your problem, you cannot sing. So when you sing with little effort, you sing, then no thinking, no worry, no stress, no distress, all finished. Okay, this is very good, very nice. Okay, it's good. You like it?
Yes.
Okay. Then you have to select a position for the pranayama. You can sit. To that, you have to mobilize your joints. For example, like this. If you do every day, you can sit on the floor. Move like this. Like this. In 10 rounds, you can do. Rotate. And butterfly, half butterfly like this. Okay, full butterfly like this. If you do every day, you can sit on the floor and any meditation position like this. Open. Inhale. Exhale. Try to touch your feet. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, it will help to open your hips. Release the rigidity. Now, you can do like this. Inhale. Exhale. Change. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Both left. Okay. Then you can select a position like this is the lotus pose. This is very good for pranayama meditation. Okay, after practice you can do. Everyone can do. Okay? This position, this is the Siddhasana. Both legs here parallel. After practice, we did this every day you can do. Leg bring here, and this is swastik position. This is also for pranayama and meditation. And this is half lotus pose. This is also good. And this is Sukhasana, easy pose. You are sitting in easy position. It's good. If you have problem to sit on the floor, you can take chair. Okay, but you have to sit with comfortable. Importance of the vertebral column is straight, but not like this, not rigid, relaxed, but straight. Okay, you can take chair, please. Because if you not sit on with comfortable, then difficult to meditate. Thank you very much. If you want to sit on the floor, I told you before, I demonstrated, you have to practice every day. Then you can sit on the floor, no problem. You can sit in Padmasana, lotus pose. You can sit in Siddhasana. You can sit in Swastikasana. Also, one other pose. This is also, you can sit in the Vajrasana. So, this another position. But if you don't have practice, again you feel pain here. So, better in Sukhasana, like this. Like you. Good. Okay, we select the Sukhasana. Then we do Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati to clean the channels, to clean the cranium. How? I am demonstrating first. Then you can do inhale, only exhale. And relax your lungs, air will enter automatic in the lungs. Only you have to afford to throw, like understood? Only you have to throw. Air will come automatic inside. In beginning, you can do 15 in 1 minute, 15 to 20. After practice, you can do 60 in 1 minute. Like I am doing in lotus pose. Like after practice, you can do 60. Like but always with rhythm. Okay. After more practice, you can do 120 in 1 minute. Now, no, after practice. Like two rounds in 1 second. But always with rhythm. Not like this is no. Not sometimes. Then this is not. With rhythm. So start with 15 in 1 minute. Okay. Now we do inhale, natural, exhale, 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 very good. Relax. Inhale, exhale slowly with awareness. Always concentrate on your breathing. Okay, one round more. Relax. Inhale, exhale slowly with awareness. We do one round more. Fifty. Okay. Now we do to clean Vyutkam Kapalabhati. Like inhale. Only exhale through alternates. Okay?
So you close one side,
Yes, one. Inhale, air will come automatic, and exhale, like this is to clean. Okay? You can try. Okay, good. Relax. Inhale, exhale slowly. Then we do Bhastrika. Bhastrika, inhale, exhale, equal. Kapalbhati, only exhale. Air come automatic. But with the Bhastrika, with afford, inhale, exhale, both equal. Understood? This create a lot of energy in your body. You feel vibration in your body. You can do 2, 3 rounds, 5 rounds. Then we do Vyutkram or Vatkram, Bhastrika. Alternates. Like equal. Okay, do. Good. Relax. Inhale, exhale very slowly with awareness. Now you feel very lightness in your body, vibration in your body, very calm and peace. Now we do Nadi Shodhan. Nadi Shodhan like Vatakram Kapalbhati, Vatakram Bhastika, but slow, without sound, without retention, without sound. Okay? Alternate. Inhale from left, close left, exhale right, inhale left, inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left. You can do 10 rounds. Relax. After practice of Nadi Shodhan, we can do Sahit Kumbhak Pranayam. Pranayam with retention. But not now. First you have practiced the Nadi Shodhan. Just I am demonstrating for you, so you can practice after that. Like inhale from left, retention, exhale from right, without sound, without friction, inhale right, retention, exhale. After practice you can do it. So normally with this pranayama, with Sahit Kumbha, pranayama with retention, we open the chakras. In our body we have different chakras, 7 chakras. One is 7 vital center. 7 are the very important in our body. Base and the top of the body. So we can open all the chakras. We can make channels clear with pranayama, illuminated our body. We can illuminate our body. Then we inhale, exhale both nostrils. Automatically after this practice, your both nostrils will run for breathing. And very slow, like you are not breathing. Concentrate on your breathing. At nose. Relax your whole body. You can do also lie down position. Now you can do sleeping position also can be done. This meditation can be done in standing position, sitting position and lie down position. Come in sleeping position because if you feel some difficulty because during meditation you will not move your body except emergency. So come in lie down position, sleeping position, yes. You can cover your body with blanket. With your willpower, you will not move your finger, your arm, your leg. Relax your whole body. Concentrate your mind at the left foot. Move your mind all over the left foot. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your left foot is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your left foot is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at lower left leg up to the knee joint. Move your mind all over the lower left leg up to the knee. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your lower left leg up to the knee joint is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your lower left leg up to the knee joint is relaxed. You realize your lower left leg up to the knee joint is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at upper left leg up to the hip joint. Move your mind all over the upper left leg. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your upper left leg up to the hip joint is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your upper left leg up to the hip joint is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the right foot. Move your mind all over the right foot. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your right foot is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your right foot is relaxed. You feel your right foot is relaxed. Relax, relax, relax. Concentrate your mind at the lower right leg up to the knee joint. Move your mind all over the lower right leg up to the knee. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your lower right leg up to the knee joint is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your lower right leg up to the knee joint is relaxed. You realize your lower right leg up to the knee joint is relaxed. Relax, relax, relax. Concentrate your mind at upper right leg up to the hip joint. Move your mind all over the upper right leg. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your upper right leg up to the hip joint is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your upper right leg up to the hip joint is relaxed. You feel your upper right leg up to the hip joint is relaxed. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the left palm. Move your mind all over the left palm. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your left palm is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your left palm is relaxed. You feel your left palm is relaxed. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Concentrate your mind at lower left arm up to the elbow joint. Move your mind all over the lower left arm up to the elbow. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your lower left arm up to the elbow is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your lower left arm up to the elbow is relaxed. You realize your lower left arm up to the elbow is relaxed. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the upper left arm up to the shoulder joint. Move your mind all over the upper left arm up to the shoulder. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your upper left arm up to the shoulder joint is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your upper left arm up to the shoulder is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the right palm. Move your mind all over the right palm. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your right palm is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your right palm is relaxed. You feel your right palm is relaxed. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the lower right arm up to the elbow joint. Move your mind all over the lower right arm up to the elbow. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your lower right arm up to the elbow joint is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your lower right arm up to the elbow is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at upper right arm up to the shoulder joint. Move your mind all over the upper right arm up to the shoulder. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your upper right arm up to the shoulder joint is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your upper right arm up to the shoulder joint is relaxed. You realize your upper right arm up to the shoulder is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the lower back. Move your mind all over the lower back. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your lower back is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your lower back is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the upper back. Move your mind all over the upper back. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your upper back is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your upper back is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the abdomen. Move your mind all over the abdomen. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your abdomen is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your abdomen is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the chest. Move your mind all over the chest. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your chest is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your chest is relaxed. You feel your chest is relaxed. Relax, relax, relax. Concentrate your mind at the neck. Move your mind all over the neck. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your neck is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your neck is relaxed. You realize your neck is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the face. Move your mind all over the face. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your face is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your face is relaxed. You feel your face is relaxed. Concentrate your mind at the head. Move your mind all over the head. Feel their vibration. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your head is going to relax. Relax, relax, relax. You feel your head is relaxed. Move your mind all over the body from head to feet, feet to head, and you feel your whole body is relaxed. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Concentrate your mind on the breathing at abdomen. You feel you are breathing through the abdomen very slowly. Inhale, exhale through abdomen. Concentrate your mind at the chest on the breathing. You feel you are breathing through the chest. Concentrate your mind at the nose. You feel you are breathing through the nose. Very subtle breathing, very slowly. Air is going inside, coming outside. Just you observe your breathing. Concentrate your mind between eyebrow at the front of the head and meditate on the color. You can meditate on the shining color, brilliant color. You can get and meditate red color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, green color, or white color. You can get and meditate also color like moon. Color will come and go. Try to get the color and meditate. Feel peace and calm. Feel positive energy. Feel peaceful, happiness. Now you are meditating on the color, you got the color, and meditate and feel peace. Concentrate on your breathing at the nose. You feel you are breathing through the nose. Concentrate on the chest. You feel you are breathing through the chest. Concentrate at the abdomen. You feel you are breathing through the abdomen. Enter in your body through the air. Move all over the body and come out through the air from all over the body. You feel this is your body, you are not the body. This is your head, this is your arm, this is your leg, this is your trunk. You are not the head, you are not the face, you are not the arm, you are not the leg. You are a conscious body. Always happy, energized, unchanged, constant. Move your fingers. Don't open your eyes yet. Come left side. Relax like a child. With the help of your arm, your hand, slowly come in sitting position. We chant Om. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Keep silence. Feel peace inside and outside your body. Try to maintain this peace in whole your life. Do friction to your palm. Put on your eyeball. Open your eyes under your palm. Do massage to the nose, eyebrow, chapora, ear, neck, all the face, all over the body. Open. In the last massage, friction is very important. It will help to open the pores, release the toxins, and maintain the circulation. You feel lightness in your body. So, linear, all joints, circular, like here, abdomen circular, chest towards up, face also up, and other is linear, right? Okay? And possible back. Okay. What do you think? It's good? You like it? Okay. Any question? Okay. You saw the color? Meditate on color? Yes, good. Which color you saw?
Green.
Green is good. Green is the color of peace. Very nice. Red color, orange color, and yellow color is the color of energy. And green color, blue color, and white color, the color of peace. Okay? Our object is to get white color. Okay, then when you go deep, everyone, I saw everyone meditated. If you forget your breathing, you did meditation. 10 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes is sufficient if you meditate. You get complete benefits. So, it's very important. Go inside. You can listen also sound. You can get color. You can also feel smell. Because all the sensory organ in your inside, all the smell, touch, you feel vibration inside, movements, sound. Then you go beyond this. All after practice, you can go beyond this sound, beyond the color, all. Then you will be illuminated completely. And it is simple, not difficult. Then you feel, I am always happy. You are happy, then you can enjoy the things. People think we get material, we will be happy. That is not correct. If you are happy, you can enjoy the material. Pain and pleasure is the part of the life, I told you. So without pain, no gain. It is true. But when you are happy, then you can enjoy your pain, your difficulty. You can enjoy your pleasure. You can enjoy your food, your friend, your house, your car, your business, your work, everything. But first of all, you must be happy. If you are happy, you can enjoy your problems. You can solve the problem. If you are balanced, equilibrium, you are happy. Understood? Yes? They didn't listen. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It's good? You like it?
Yes.
So, morning we do Ayurveda yoga for the physical health, and evening we do Ayurveda meditation for mental health. We clean with meditation our mind, and we clean with Ayurveda yoga, with Ayurveda yoga for the physical cleaning, body clean. We need body and mind both clean. Okay? I told you, if you have to eat, you must take clean plate. Pulito. Piatto pulito. And body must clean. Use it full day clean. So I say, this peace maintain whole life. If not possible, at least 24 hours. We think tomorrow morning again, tomorrow evening. So at least 24 hours, you must be positive with our effort. And after yoga, it is natural. You will be natural positive. Understood? So it's very important. In the last salutation, like this, inhale, salute the nature, the Almighty, the Supreme Power. Exhale, salute your parents, your elders, your master. Namaste. Good evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow morning.